Thank you for tuning in. Here you have my niece Jalea. She's 12 years old, and this is her hair in its natural state after she detangled it. And this is her hair after I did wash it out. And with conditioner, I did do a cold wash, and I did use the VO5 conditioner to do that process. Here's the heat protectant that I'm going to be using to, definitely want to protect her ends, and also the detangling brush that I'll be using. Here's the Rev Air blow dryer. The setting I'm going to use today is actually the highest setting, which is 7 because of the texture of her hair. And for the actual heat setting, I am going to use number 2, which is the highest setting for that. You guys did come for me in the last video when I did try it out initially the first time, which is all good, but I'm all for the positive feedback and constructive criticism, but all negative comments from this point going forward will be deleted. So, and you will be blocked. So I'm all for the positive comments or just giving me some advice and some tips. I can take that, but when you come on bringing negative comments, those comments will be removed and you will be blocked from my account. All right. So now that I did mention that, let's get into what I'm doing here. I am taking out that section because, as you can see in the back, I do have 4 sections. And after I put the heat protectant on, I am going to detangle that section again as I do each section. And what I did was go ahead and blow that one section out, which I did realize when you will see that I should have done it in 2 sections, and that's what I am going to do. So the more you look on, you'll see that I am going to separate that one section into 2 sections. So the back part, even though it was detangled into 4 sections, when I blow it out, I am going to blow it out into 8 sections. So each section will be broken up. So it makes it much easier because of the texture of her hair. It's a little bit coarser. She does have 4C hair, I believe. So, any advice, anything that you guys want to, bring to this channel to kind of help me boost my channel, any advice that you guys want to give, I'm all open for it. And, we're definitely going to hope you guys like this video. So if you haven't so far, please like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you, and keep watching. All right, so thank you. If you made it this far, thank you so much. So what I did was the left side of her head, I did go ahead and complete that section. And as you can see the difference in how it was previously, I did section it out into two sections as I did mention it. And I am going in with my detangling brush just to make sure I got all those extra kinks out, which the blow dryer does a great job in doing that. So just a close up here so you can see the texture of her hair. And I believe for the texture that it was previously and how coarse it is, it did get it really, really straight. I didn't leave the blow dryer on there too long, but it did do a great job in my opinion. I am taking out the right side of the section so that you guys can get a quick comparison of her hair and its curl pattern before it's even blown out. So you can see its natural state. This is, basically a side-by-side of her hair. So, I think that blow dry did exceptionally well. Of course, you can see based on this video, looking at her hair, you can tell that her ends does need to be cut, which, we'll do that in another video. So here's the side-by-side comparison. So as you can see the curl pattern of her hair in its natural state versus when it's blow dry with the Revia blow dryer. So I definitely think the Revia blow dryer did do its thing here on this one. So here I am starting the second section, detangling that. And I did apply the heat protectant off camera. So don't come for me in the comments with that because you will get blocked. Let's be positive on this channel here. All right, so I'm going to let you guys get back to watching the video. And I am going to speed it up a little bit just to kind of take off some of that extra time. Okay, so here is the whole bottom half of her hair. So I did blow it out, and as you can see, the back does need to be trimmed, which I did mention we're going to do that in another video. With a trim, I think it'll look definitely 10 times better than what it looks now, but in my opinion, the Revia did an amazing job straightening her hair, and I did leave it on for about 1:30 just to kind of let it get the full straightness that it could possibly receive. So here's the hair on each angle, left and right side. So the next clip you guys are going to see is me actually going through the whole process, and I did speed it up and I did do the whole back part of her hair off camera, so you guys are going to see the full back of her hair. So this is the full back of her hair, and as I mentioned, it does look really, really good, and it did, 1:30 on each section is not bad compared to the time that we were taking to blow her hair out previously. the texture. It doesn't feel dry. You know, I can run my fingers through it easily. It just feels amazing at this point. And this is a 10 out of 10. I would recommend this blow dryer. All right, guys, so we did go ahead and make it to our final section. I did try to speed up everything and do a little bit of the other sections off camera. So here we are putting the last section in the Revier blow dryer, and I do typically do a minute and 30 seconds. You can do anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute and 30 seconds. It's your preference, depending on the speed that you have. Again, I do have it on setting 7, and I do have it on for the heat setting, which is number 2. So I am here just holding that blow dryer on that section, and you'll see how straight it comes out. And what I'll do is I like to go in with my detangling brush and go ahead and detangle, just kind of get out any of those extra tangles, which the Revier basically gets all those tangles out her. I can run my fingers through her hair. Everything looks great. Okay, so I will insert some pictures in the end so you guys can let me know what you guys think about the final results. Again, we do know her ends need to be clipped, so I don't need anyone to come in the comment section telling me that. She will get those professionally trimmed when we do go to the salon. So here's the final look. I hope you guys love it. I enjoyed doing it, and I hope you guys come back for our next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys in the next video.